Ayan, si Buntis. Mabasa yung cellphone mo.
Day, mainit yung tubig.
Mainit yung tubig. Ayun po ang taong dagat. Taong dagat.
Look behind you.
Ayun na po. Ayun, Serena. Oh, saglit lang ang langoy ng Serena.
Go down.
No.
Go down. Gusto na si Mama.
Where's Mama at? Oy, si Mama.
Okay, bye guys.
Oy, Serena. Serena. Bas. Oh, yan dyan.
Malinis na ang pusot ko. Unlike you.
Nagsiswimming yung baby.
Swimming sa doon sa labas.
Hello. Ang lamig.
Let's shoot. Ayan po si Yana at ayan po ang mga puwet sa likod. Akala, ikaw baby. Ayan po yung dalawa.
I mean some.
Ang daming jellyfish.
Girl, we only saw two.
No, I saw one there. Visit ka! Visit ka talaga. Visit na to! Ay! Ayaw mag-blow.
Hey, let me look. Ow!
Wow!
Cokes? 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 Yeah. 2 Cokes, please. And 2 bottles of water. Yes. It's not really. Not too bad.
Diyan pa yung mukha ko. Video oh. Video oh. So vlog to talaga boy.
Parang kung ano ka, pulubi talaga kayo. Kami naman.
Wow! Hey, and then we have the fry though. Oh, ganda naman. Ganda naman. Ay! 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 Ay!
Parang slim ka.
Wala na, maitim na si Mama. Pating Pilipino. Match na kayo.
Uy! Grabe ka!
Ako din nga eh, maitim din Pilipino.
Proof? Ay.
Ay, ako.
What's the name of the baby?
Si Jameson Ryle.
Jameson Ryan. Hey! How many months?
Almost 4 months.
The gender is a boy. Ay, what the heck?
A baby boy.
It's a boy. Booyah.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Girl, you're trying to sunscreen my phone. Look. Let's go. Uy! Let's go. Ang lamig. Ay. Hey. Ang lamig. Go over here.
Ay, may food pa, oh. Alam mo, may stand talaga yun.
Saan, boy? My clothes.
Ayan na sila, nagtutupi ng cover. Uwi na kami. Ang init-init na. Ooh! Ayan po siya. Umiitim na po siya. Oh, itim-itim na niya. Bye! Ang basura. Ano po?
Yes! We're gonna get tea. We're gonna get tea. Careful. Because I'm paying. It's the dawn. Yes. Ay, libre. I got a monkey. What you get? What you get?
What's this?
What do you have for words? Wait, this is so cute. Can I have one? Can I have the seal? Can I have the seal? Hey.
Thank you.